Hi everybody, happy Valentine's Day from Face Paint Forum Shop and me, Cara Drum. I've got this cute little love bug design that I started and I wasn't filming, so I missed, what I did was I drew like I drew an oval around my face, staying very close to my eyes. I didn't take it out towards my temples too wide, and then I was just tapping and filling it in with a sponge. I used the brush to get around like my eyes where I really couldn't get the sponge, but you can just use a sponge or a brush, whichever's quicker. And then I loaded up a sponge with some sticky red paint. This is Global Red, and my graffiti eye stencil, and I'm putting the little hearts right on my brow bone. Just the sponge was pretty dry, the paint was not wet at all. I was just kind of dragging it along. I put a dot in the center of my forehead, and I was just kind of eyeing where I wanted the first arch to go for my little bug's face. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just arching it up over the eyebrow. This is also kind of the beginning of my penguin design that I was doing this winter, but we're turning it into a little love bug for Valentine's Day. I'm going to fill it all in. This is a low Cornell, number 6, really big, thick, round brush, and some Wolf Black paint. I'm just going to fill all of that in. And then even up anything that needs evened up. So your little bug's antennas, the shape of them will largely be determined by the face you're painting on. Some people have great forehead real estate, some don't. I kind of have a widow's peak that kind of comes down, so mine stuck out a little farther than what I was envisioning, but I think they still came out cute. So the way I did this little bug's eyes was a trick that I learned from my friend Abby, and it's a super cute way to make eyelashes and eyes kind of stick out and make it look bigger. But on my old eyes, it was a little sketchy. I'm sure on a little child who has nice, very young, firm eyelids, it wouldn't be nearly as, wrinkly, but the trick is to kind of arch it up and then bring it down under the eye, and then we're just flicking down some eyelashes for the little bug's eyes. I've just taken a round brush, loaded up with some Global Red, the same Global Red I did with the hearts with over my eyes, and I just laid the bristles down to make a heart shape, and then I'm going to tap some red glitter on top of it to make it sparkle. And I wasn't really feeling like the cheeks were finished. They just needed something, so I took this pattern from my graffiti eye stencil and some sticky wolf white paint, and I just tapped it. I laid it kind of half on, half off the white, and I just kind of tapped the sponge over that just to kind of finish off the cheeks, and I think it really made it adorable and cute. This is Susie Sparkles glitter gel. You can get this at the Face Paint Forum Shop, and I just put a real big dot and kind of circled it around at the end of each antenna. It's an awesome alternative to bling. And I finished up with a little glitter lip, and that is my cute little bug design. I mean, super, super quick 5-minute face, and I think it's adorable. I hope you like it too, and I hope you can use it. I think she's so cute. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Thank you for watching.